In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can lock your profile picture here on Instagram. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment. Now, you've probably noticed here on Instagram that you can actually tap someone's profile picture and it'll go ahead and enlarge it just like so. But maybe you don't want people to see that on your profile and you don't want people doing that to you. Now, luckily for you, Instagram now lets you control this. To do this, go ahead and go to your profile page by tapping on your icon down in the bottom right and then tap the three lines up in the top right corner. From here, what you're going to want to do is actually scroll down until you see the option that says who can see your content and go ahead and select account privacy. From here, if you're not on a business account, you're going to have the option for allow profile picture expansion. Go ahead and just tick that off. Now, I am on a business account, so unfortunately, I'm not going to have this option. But in your case, you should see allow profile picture expansion on there. If you don't, back out of here and you're going to have to scroll down on this page until you see the option to control your account and switch off of a business account. That's going to be in this for professionals section right here. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.